Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and I am super excited to introduce yet another product for the Tesla Cybertruck. Today, I'm going to talk about our new Cybertruck running boards. These are full-blown running boards to bolt on, give you a full side step. You may have seen we do have a more minimalist side step that just goes over the cladding, but this is a full-blown running board that bolts on just like you see here. Let's go through the basics. First of all, this is about a 20-minute DIY install. You can easily do it yourself. Put the truck up in extract mode. It's not super heavy. You've got 5 bolts that attach to the truck. Pretty easy to do by yourself, no special tools needed. Now this is not just a running board. We have designed this as Tesla people. We've got a lot of experience with running boards going back to when we did them for Rivians. We carefully designed it, first of all, to fit within the air curtain on the side of the vehicle. We did not want to extend out past the poke of the tire because that's going to impact range. Plus it looks a little funny when you see it. So this looks and fits perfect. We tried to design this as OEM plus. So you're gonna notice the design language is very Cybertruck. Sharp edges, there's no round tubing. This is a very edgy, boxy look, and it looks great down here. It looks like OEM, just meshes in with the cladding on the side. Okay, these are designed, engineered, and manufactured right here in the USA. This is laser cut, CNC bent alloy steel. We powder coat it so the finish is gonna stay black and stay nice for a long time. You're gonna notice we don't wanna compromise ground clearance, so we've got this tucked in tight, tucked up. It's minimal impact on the ground. From a load rating perspective, bring it on. This thing is super strong. Your family can jump on this and jump in the truck. All right, time to elevate your Cybertruck game with these running boards from T-Sportline. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and come back soon because we have a lot more Cybertruck upgrades coming your way.